Good morning, Contracts fam. It's Anila Bryan here, welcoming you to another Life in Contracts vlog. Now, today we are bust through quarantine. We're jumping over Soja Bar and heading to Frenchman's Cove. Let's go. Wait. Just to be clear, that was meant to be a joke. We actually went before Corona, so if I sneeze, I promise you, it's just allergies. Guys, we've been driving for what? 4 hours? 4 hours? 3.5, and we still don't reach. We are at Frenchman Cove in Portland, Jamaica with wonderful model extraordinaire Sue-Ann McCarthy, and basically what we'll be doing today is taking some nature shots. You know, woman and nature equal, beautiful photos. So let's go. Like, be one with nature.
Okay, right to the left side, right?
Try it.
You gonna go up at that side there? Like you stand on this rock and I'm like right there?
Okay.
I say you stand on the rock and I'm like right there.
Try it.
Trap all there, you say?
Grab one of that now.
Okay, just to make it.
Alright.
After I'm splashing my face.
Yeah.
Or you want to actually splash my face?
Yeah, you try to take that photo, please?
Yeah, try to do that.
Okay. Alright, hold on, let me set my
Right,
settings.
just like get dirty though.
Actually, yeah, rake up the mud.
I rake up the mud.
Let me see it bend down how it looks.
Or should I splash my hair?
Cut your face. 3, 2, 1, go. Run your hand through your hair. 3. But give me more of your face, give me more of your face. Nice. One more. Come in a little closer.
I need to learn to fix my lip when I'm taking pictures. I tell you, it's like sinking sand. So imagine me who never have on the shoes.
hours later.
thing I tried to do was to ensure that the model was interacting with the prop. In this case, it was the swing. I placed her in a swing. So instead of having her hands all over and awkward, I tried to have her interact with the swing, so that way the photo looks more natural instead of awkward. I tried to get close-ups, I tried to get wide shots, some portraits, and then some shots showing the scenery, because a place like Frenchman's Cove, it's a beautiful location, so we have to show the model interacting or in her surroundings. So I tried to get some close-ups, and I also tried to get some wider shots that will show like the background and where the model is located. So the final set of shots that we did was in the water. As a photographer, always ensure you're aware of your surroundings, because the waves were massive heavy, so I could easily have fallen into the water. So I had to ensure that, one, you know, I was rooted and grounded and sturdy and thing in the actual water, and two, I had my friend beside me just in case I was falling. He could grab the camera, because I can always fall, but the camera can't. I could go back and do over that set of shots. I wouldn't have used a 1.8 f-stop aperture. I would probably higher the f-stop number, so that way it isn't so out of focus, because when I was editing I realized that the waves crashing against the rock, it was so out of focus, you kind of lose the point of having it in the background. So I'd probably use a high aperture number, that way I'll see more of the actual wave, and I think that would have made the picture perfecto. But you know, I still am happy with how the shots came out. And oh, I want everyone, please, in the comment section, wish my friend and model Sue a happy birthday. She celebrated her birthday March 17th. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching another video of Life in Contracts. I know you guys don't used to me talking, so I hope it was okay that I kind of talk more in this one, trying out something new. So let me know in the comment section if you rather me to zip it, or you actually appreciate me giving tips, and so let me know. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, tell your auntie, your mother, your sister, and your brother to watch this vlog. A lot of us are stuck at home because of the corona, so I'll try my best to keep you guys entertained.